How to use the Health app on iPhone. On the home screen, find the Health app and tap on it to open it. In the Summary tab, review highlights and scroll to see your recent data and trends. On this page, tap on Steps to open the detailed view. At the top of the chart, switch between day and week for context, then scroll for insights. Tap on the star to add steps to favorite so it appears in your summary for quicker reference. Tap on Back to return to activity, then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Medical ID. Over here, scroll down to Emergency Contacts and tap on Add beside it. Then, tap on Add Emergency Contact. You can now select the contacts you want to add from here. After that, choose your relationship with them. Your emergency contacts will receive a message saying that you have called emergency services when you use Emergency SOS. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon above. Following these steps, you can easily use the Health app on iPhone.